Hi there, my name is Callum, and in today's video we'll be showing you how we use our relationship connector with databases and linking to spreadsheets to help and maintain Visio diagrams for mapping applications, service maps, and data flows. I have here a very simple service map. Service maps are used to show dependencies between configuration items. At the top we have a service configuration item called ISA payment function, which depends on payment request, which in turn depends on applications, databases, and then servers down at the bottom. In each of these shapes, we have shape data. This has been taken from a CMDB and inserted automatically with our AssetGen SysMap software, but it can also be done manually by linking Visio to a spreadsheet. So if I show the shape data, you can see this configuration item transact has a name, it has a group and a type, and there are some attributes down here, which are end-of-life status, processing, and recovery status. We have also inserted shape data into our relationship connector. And if I open it up, you can see that we have inserted this field here called relationship type that has a value of users. And what our relationship connector does is it takes that value of users and displays it as text in the middle of the connector. So if I zoom into this connector, right-click, and then show relationship label, I've individually chosen to show that field and that value in the middle of this connector. Just like our other AssetGen connectors, you can click this yellow handle and move the text around to adjust or move the text as you want for the diagram. And of course, you can reset its position. If I zoom back out and show the whole diagram, I also have the option to show all the relationship labels, not just this one individually. So I click show. That's displayed all the labels and all the connectors. And this lets us validate at a glance whether all the relationships types seem to be correct. So for instance, this one here jumps out at me where it says feeds, just because it's different to everything else. So that may prompt an investigation or a quick search on the CMDB to validate it. We have quite a few ways to display these labels. The first is just the default, as you see now, where it is horizontal text, just showing the value runs on. But if I right-click and I click long form, what that does, if we reopen the shape data, is it takes the name of the from CI, so paylog, concatenates that with the relationship type runs on, and then appends to the end Oracle DB. So it reads as paylog runs on Oracle DB. We also have the option to auto-align the text to the line. So it will be parallel with the line, and as the line changes angle, it will follow the line and flip if it goes upside down. And of course, this also works if it has been moved around or off the shape, it'll stay parallel to that line. Just reset it and put it back. And of course, you can combine both of those with auto-align and long form. And you have an auto-aligned long form sentence which reads Oracle DB runs on UK VM01. You're always able to tell what settings you have applied because what we do is we add a little check mark to say if it's applied or not. If you're interested in learning about any of these options, feel free to contact us and ask us for a demo. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.